Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where you're trying to go through and basically fix your iPhone, and for some reason, iCloud photos are just missing inside of your phone or inside of iCloud.com. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing here is to number one, make sure you are logged into the same iCloud account in which your photos are supposed to be, seen in. So you might have just opened up your photos, and for some reason, the photos are missing here, but you want to make sure your photos are properly logged into the actual iCloud account. So make your way over to your settings application just like this, and your name at the very top, just go through and make sure it's logged into the proper account. Now number two, you want to make sure your iCloud photos are basically synced up here. So tap on your name on your iPhone or iPad or Mac, whatever you're using, tap into your iCloud settings portion, which is right here. And then what you're going to want to do here is you want to click on the iCloud option, which is right here. So tap on iCloud, and then this next page is going to come up. What you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and find this Photos option, which shows up right inside of this page, and you want to make sure this is enabled. So where it says sync with this iPhone or sync with this device or whatever, make sure this is enabled, because that's going to be another really important thing to basically do here as well. Now, if you do that and everything else is good, then you're probably going to be okay. But if this is still not working and this is like synced up, you might want to also make sure you're not running out of iCloud storage space either. So if you're running out of storage space right here, then it's not going to sync up with any other more photos. So clear out some iCloud photo space, and at that point, then it should start syncing up and it should start working. If it's still not working, try refreshing iCloud.com or try updating your iPhone. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.